We will be doing an experiment to demonstrate that different materials change state when they are heated or cooled. All materials have melting points, which is the temperature at which a solid melts and changes into a liquid. They also have freezing points, which is the temperature at which a liquid freezes and changes into a solid. The freezing point of a material is the same as the material's melting point. At this particular temperature, the material can exist as either a liquid or a solid. At temperatures below the freezing or melting point, the material is a solid. At temperatures above the freezing or melting point, the substance is a liquid. Here, we have three materials we will use in this experiment. We have chocolate spread that has a melting point of 32 degrees Celsius, water that has a melting point of 0 degrees Celsius, and sunflower oil that has a melting point of 1 degree Celsius. So what we are going to do first is to pour the materials into these small containers. Now that we have everything poured, we are going to place them into the freezer and wait for them to freeze. The materials will change state from liquid to solid. Once the materials are frozen and taken out of the freezer, we can observe that the materials have started to melt because the temperature of the room is higher than the freezer. The water melts first as it has the lowest melting point at 0 degrees Celsius. Then the oil melts, and lastly, the chocolate spread melts as it has the highest melting point. Now we can see that all the materials have melted. They have changed their state from solid to liquid.